Hey, what's going on, guys? So for this first challenge, I thought it would be appropriate if we dove into the tacky little FizzBuzz, doing it with a traditional for loop and then with a while loop. Pay no mind to the bubble sort, we'll do that next time. So FizzBuzz. Alright, so traditional for loop, for let I equal 1, I up to 16. That means it'll stop at 15, I plus plus, so increment 1 each time. If I modulus 5 equals 0, and I modulus 3 equals 0, then we want to console log FizzBuzz, else if I modulus 5 equals 0, I want to console log out fizz, else if I modulus 3 equals 0, I want to console log out, you guessed it, buzz, else just console log out the regular old number, which will be represented by our variable I, our incrementer. Alright, so next the while loop. So we'll declare a variable, j, set it to 1, using the same logic, while j is less than 16. We get the FizzBuzz one out of the way and say j modulus 5 equals 0, and j modulus 3 equals 0. A modulus just means divided by, and there's no remainder left over. So if both of those are true, then we're going to console log out FizzBuzz, else j modulus 5 equals 0, and from there we're going to set console log out. This one gets a little weird, so I'll read it back afterwards. Fizz buzz, else console log out j, increment. Alright, so I know it's a little messy, but j modulus 5 equals 0 and j modulus 3 equals 0. If that's true, we're going to read back FizzBuzz. Otherwise, we're going to set a new condition, j modulus 5 equals 0, and based upon that, we're either going to render fizz, or we're going to set a new condition, j modulus 3 equals 0. Based upon that, we're either going to render buzz, or finally, we'll just render out the number. And that should do it. We should have 2 happy FizzBuzzes read back to us. Let's run it and see. Alright, at a glance, it looks pretty good. You see we start with 1, 2, 3, buzz, 4, 5, fizz, 6. Yeah, that all looks good. 15 is our winner, FizzBuzz. Next one, same thing. There we go, 2 FizzBuzzes. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Have a nice afternoon.